August 2nd, 3rd and 4th. 3 days. Jalsa Salana UK 2019. Learn about the profound and everlasting teachings of the Holy Quran and the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Spiritually rejuvenating speeches, heartwarming scenes of mutual love and unity. The reformer of the age, Prophet Messiah, peace be upon him, who started this convention, summarized its purpose in following words. You must not rank this convention in the same league as other ordinary human assemblies. This is a phenomenon that is based purely on the divine help for propagation of Islam. Join us from 2nd to the 4th August and avail countless blessings.